Meaning of drinking chocolate.
Drinking chocolate.
Drinking chocolate.
Drinking chocolate.
Drinking chocolate. Drinking chocolate typically refers to a beverage made by mixing chocolate powder or flakes with hot milk or water. The result is a rich, creamy and decadent drink that's perfect for cold winter days or as a comforting treat. Depending on the type of chocolate used and any additional ingredients like sugar or spices, drinking chocolate can have a range of flavors, from bittersweet to sweet and creamy. Overall, drinking chocolate is a delicious way to indulge in a beloved treat in liquid form.